This Coldwell Banker Bisceglia Realty Company property video is presented by David Gambrell. Custom designed, open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, 5 bedrooms 4 bath home with beautiful sunset views, single car garage with bonus room above, full walkout unfinished basement on sloping low maintenance lot. Hardwood floors throughout, rock gas fireplace, 2 hot water heaters, 3 separate air conditioner/heating, new refrigerator, washer, and dryer. For more information, review the details below or contact David Gambrell at 606-269-7434.